I love my lovey, my husband, Mr. Senya. Every time I think of you, two phrases always in my mind. My answered prayers and true love waits. Everyone knows me, family and friends. They all know how long I've waited for something like this. For someone like you.
Sana maging masaya akong palagi.
Yes. I don't know. Love you.
My love, salamat king 22 months nang yun maging forever na. Salamat kasi ika yung kinumpleto, yung kaulugan ng masayang biye. Ika yung pinakamasanting na dintang at milyari kayong biye ko. Habang buhay kong pasalamat yung Ginoo na iking binigyan ng biggest blessing.
Nung ating magkamali kaya kayo, ating neto nga magpasensya. Ay tamo, love you.
Love you so much. And now that you're here, all those waiting years suddenly make sense. Grabe, no? Who would have thought na yung matagal ko na palang pinagdarasal, matagal ko na palang kilala. At suya pala Lele, ng elementary ko. Classmate ka pa, high school.
It's like running it's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made of the dream. Let us here today.
Patrick, kapag inaaway ka na ni Camille o Camille, kapag nagtatampo ka kay Patrick, please embrace each other. Kahit ayaw niyang magpayakap sa'yo, yakapin mo siya. Because that therapeutic embrace will give you the implicit way of reconciliation, acceptance, at the same time will always bring you back to where you started.
Never felt my heartbeat so wild while the sunset sets the...
Congratulations, Pat. Oy, eto yung pinakamasayang araw mo. Alam ko magiging mabuti kang asawa.
Every moment on and on, we got a beautiful story, and we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
I'm not just thankful, I'm overjoyed. Because finally, everything I prayed for has name, and it's you, my Patrick.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
This love, this us, is worth every second of the wait. I love you. Your wife, Camille.